Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Dear students, in today's class, I have come up with a new poem called The Wonderful Words. In this poem, we are going to discuss about importance of the language. Before going to start the poem, I would like to read out the introduction part. Imagine a world without language. All humans speak at least one language. The words we speak bring out our thoughts. Read the following poem on words. Dear students, imagine without language we cannot survive on the earth. Without language we cannot share our views or opinions. All humans speak at least one language. You have to speak at least one language which is convenient for you. So that language is the most essential part of the human being. Okay, in this poem, the poet Mary O'Neill talks about importance of the language. Okay, with this, let us begin the first stanza. Never let a thought shrivel and die. Here, shrivel means dry up, means don't stop. Never let your thoughts stop in your mind. What you have to do? You should not stop your thoughts in your mind for want of you to say it. Okay, you have to express your feelings and opinions to others. This is the appeal of the poet. You should not let your thoughts in your mind. You should not die your language in your mind. Then what you have to do? You have to express your opinions or feelings through the language. For want of a way to say it. Okay, there is a way to express your language by your opinions by using the language, so that you should not stop your thoughts, emotion in your mind. You should not die your language in your mind. You have to share your opinions through the language. For English is a wonderful game, and all of you can play it. Here, the poet gives importance to the English language. According to poet, English language is like a game. Okay, by using different kinds of expression, we tell a story by using our gestures and language. It is a kind of game. According to poet, English language is considered as a game, and all of you can play it. All of you can play it means you have to use language with joyfully. You can use language it as game. Okay, you can use the language as considered as the game. All that you do is match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head. All that you do is match the words, means you have to arrange the words in proper manner. Why you have to arrange the words in proper manner? Because you have to express your feelings from the head as brightest. If you use language correctly or systematically, you can express your language, your opinions very brightly. So that the poet request to everybody, use your thoughts by using the language. You can play the language by using our different kinds of gestures. Next, so that they come out clear and true, and handsomely groomed and fed, for many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. So that they come out clear and true. They come out clear and true means, what do you mean? Understand this line. so that they come out clear and true means your language should be understood everyone. Whatever you speak, which understand to everyone, so then only, so that is the correct, you know, using of the way of language. And handsomely groomed and fed. Groomed means decorated. You have to decorate language very beautifully, then only you can express, you can understand your feelings to others. Next, for many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. So many things we have keep in our mind, but we are unable to express to others. Means many things we have just kept in our mind because we don't know the language. Okay, if you want to know the language, you have to speak correctly, you have to speak grammatically, then only you can express our language correctly to everyone. We can understand everyone, we can express our feelings, grammatically correct. So this is the correct fulfillment of the wonderful word. This is the means, this is the correct you know fulfillment of the wonderful language. So this is about first stanza. A very simple, within 1 minute I would like to tell you, it is about, this poem is about importance of the language. So many different kinds of emotions, feelings we have just kept in our mind. Only thing we have to express openly to everyone. Only it is possible if you know language correctly. We should not keep our feelings into our head. We should not die our feelings. We should not give chance to die our feelings and opinions. We have to express everyone by using correct language. So this is about first stanza. If you have any clarification, any doubts, you can ask me. With this, thank you for watching this. Have a beautiful day.